Alright, here we go. Me and Justin just drove. Or Justin drove 4 hours. See this white wagtail. It says first in Wisconsin, right? First in Wisconsin. And usually in Brent Daggett form, as we walk up, it flies right to me. And it's working the rocks here. Awesome. Flapping the tail. It's a tail flapper. Oh, there he is. We parked the vehicle 4.5 minutes ago. So that's normal for a Brent sighting. Unreal. Unreal bird here. We just traveled 4 hours, 4.5 hours with the snow. 10 cars in accidents on the side of the road, getting hit, just to see this guy. Behind a rock. Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin this morning. I'll zoom out. You can see the view here. This is where Brent wants to move. Gorgeous. Alright. Where'd Justin go? It's Justin in the video. Huh? Yes! Yes, sir!
Try to go wave those people over.
Man! Alright.